Yeah, I want to employ at least 10,000 people by next 10 years.
Something stuck in my head, and I knew that I want to do something for them. I didn't know, but what? New ideas, meeting a lot of people, and the energy from people. It's extremely important.
Then I thought, oh, they will take ice. They will kill. I thought like that.
India is rapidly changing. Its economy is growing, and this will affect the young people the most. Aspects of Western culture are appearing in India in the form of music, fashion, and drinking. Between their traditional Indian upbringing and the pull of the modern lifestyle is where we find 5 amazing people. They are working for change within their community.
People say it's almost like New York, Eastern New York. My name's Srikar. And I'm presently in Bangalore. I'm working for a company called Siemens. 5 years, I would have my own company. Yeah, I want to employ at least 10,000 people by next 10 years. A country goes through a phase, and this is one of the phase. Maybe 10-15 years, you would see a huge India. I would be playing a major role in it, and I would try to take maximum benefit from it. If I would have been back in my house, I would have either watching TV, which is useless and I hate it, but I normally I get attracted to it, or I would have been sitting in on net and browsing some unnecessary stuff, and I would have lot of unnecessary things in my brain. I wanted to just keep myself a day off, and I wanted to see what's really happening there.
Shweta and Vikram have experienced the kindness of others and have established a social enterprise in return.
My grandfather was extremely poor to he used to live on the road, that poor. And so he was always helped at every stage by someone or the other till he became a doctor. And at every step, through books, education, getting your own clinic, he was helped by someone or the other. God knows, God sent from somewhere. So to not break that link that I am here because my family was helped by so many people. Now it's just keep that link on. And
So we do toy bank. Very simply put, we collect and distribute and segregate these toys. We distribute these toys to the street kids, various kids, hospital wards. The idea came up actually when I just graduated and I decided to go to some home and teach maths. And I got bored of doing that because all of the kids started hating me because they knew there's some maths teacher coming and to teach them maths, so they wouldn't even look at me. So I decided, this is not good. So I decided to play with them. I just dropped the textbooks and said, let's go play. And I realized that these kids started loving me. And I was selfish. I was like, this is fun. They love me. And they started telling me a lot of stories. How they came and why did they run away from their homes. And a lot of crazy stories I've never heard in my life before. So then that's how Toy Bank started. And I realized I have a lot of toys and some of my friends did and word of mouth. And we spread Toy Bank. And in our first distribution, we had already collected about 1,000 toys and we distributed them. This is what I'm going to do at Toy Bank, maybe grow Toy Bank and make it bigger and better and go to other countries, have more people participate. I'm really looking at that, and that's going to be my focus at the moment, yeah.
Social enterprises are not-for-profit organisations that aim to benefit the community. Don Bosco is one of the many hostels in India for young people. It supports those who have run away or who don't have a home. They are helping Lakesh as he studies to be a lawyer.
When I was 6 years old, that time I came to street. I was begging and rag picker. In the street, I did so many work. I got so much trouble. So one day, our father Palipuram, he looked at me and he took me to Bosco. So I'm taking that time I was in Bosco, and so many hostels I went. Ran away. That time I don't have knowledge. Then I thought, oh, they will take ice. They will kill. I thought like that. When they're taking going, that time I thought like that. So that's why when I go, I will stay only 2 days or 3 days. After running, again street. Now I'm staying in Basco only. They love so much me, and I also love so much fathers and brothers. So many things I learn. So I'm so happy. My best brother is Sebastian. He's in Germany. He's sponsoring me. I'm so happy and great person he's. So I love so much him. I want to become a like a example me. So I want to explain how I came like top, how I was in the street, that one and all helping like that, and they will opening their mind. Oh, like this, okay, like this. They will think like that. That type of I want to help.
As New India is finding its feet, a lot of people are still finding it hard. Srupia works with the poorest children to help them to help themselves.
I'm 21 years old. I've done my graduation in geography from Delhi University. And right now, currently, I'm working with this organization called the YP Foundation. And I joined this organization as a volunteer. I've been teaching there at a small, it's called Basti, the slum area, small one. And then I shifted to this project that's on child rights, child labor, and child domestic labor. I remember 2 years back in my nephew's birthday. Rather having normal party or something, we thought let's go to an orphanage and spend time over there. That's the best way to, celebrate whatever. Your happiness with someone who might not be able to enjoy the small thing. So we found about like this very organization. It's called Nirmal Jyoti. And we were just went there, we cooked food for them. They were so surprised, they were happy. I went there and that was my moment when I got the love affection. They clinged onto me and they called me Didi. It's like elder Didi. It's me, elder sibling. So it was the best moment of my life. And everybody has been saying that, India is the next big thing. But I personally don't really believe in that. It's just when you see the reality, it's completely different.
I want to live life king size, but I don't mean that in terms of property and money. I'm not talking about finance. I'm talking about in that king size life, I want to be able to ensure the lives of the kids that I'm working with. I really want to do that. I may not know the what's and how's and the points in the middle, but yes, when I see it, when I envision it, I can see that I can only be happy if I've made a difference to somebody's life outside of me.
I would say happiness for me as an individual is when I have the least conflict between what I'm thinking and what I want to do and what I'm actually doing.
I'm just exploring my dream. It's yet to, I'm searching what my aim is still, but I'm happy what I'm doing right now.
They had a wide smile. I don't know why, but they had a very wide smile. That was really encouraging one.
See, in the life there is no happy. That is like a circle. Happy, sad, is always coming. Not always happy. So sometimes I'll happy in my life. Sometimes I will get sad.
Look at me. It really was not easy, but I can't.